Open the cover of the battery cabinet by a screwdriver. Power supply, 9V 6F22 battery. Close the cover of the battery cabinet and fasten the screw. The instrument has a unique mechanical protection function to prevent users from inserting the wrong pin. The rear bracket can be flipped 180 degrees and can be used as a bracket or for suspension at the same time. The rear cover is equipped with a magnet. At the same time, the rear cover is equipped with a magnet. Set the rotary switch at the range position. Connect the black test lead to count jack and the red to VHC jack. Set the rotary switch at the desired V-range position. It shows symbol for testing DC voltage. If you want to test AC voltage, push select button switch. Set the rotary switch at the desired range position. Put the sensor probe into the temperature field under measurement. You can get reading from LCD. When the live voltage higher than 90V alternating current, the NCV red LED light and green LED light will light up alternately together with sound. CDS sensor. The CDS sensor can reaction to the ambient brightness range, then automatically control the LCD backlight to lighten or go out.